guys, what is up? It is your girl Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to today's vlog. Really trying to hit that 300k mark before July, so let's see if it can happen and if it's possible. The month of March has been a hot ass mess, and it just started. Like, it's literally just May 6th, and I feel like I know why. My period kind of took forever to come. Okay, usually I get symptoms like 2 weeks before my actual period, and then I get symptoms during my period, so I get like 3 weeks of symptoms for my period. I know it's stupid, confusing, but I just have not been in the mood. It's been a hot mess. I just bought this program, a meal plan program, because if I don't meal prep my foods, I don't eat. I don't know, it's just weird. I'm not in the mood to cook. I don't want to order. Everything's ugh. It's from this company called Gorge Girl Training, and I seen Aaliyah's face using it. She's a YouTuber, and I was like, oh my god, maybe I should try it. Like, her meals always look good and stuff, and she is slimming down, so I was like, I want to slim down too. And so yeah, I've been trying it. So I'm on day 2. I also want to start this the Chloe Ting challenge that everyone's doing on YouTube. Like, literally everyone's like, oh my god, I was this big. And so I'm like, I want to try it. I want to see if that's gonna actually work. I do want to see if I can cut off inches off my stomach, off my thighs, on my arms, or something like that. So let's see how this goes. Anywho, for today though, I actually forgot to mention that I did order a lot of workout clothes. Now, it was a hassle and a struggle to find them because I don't like to say that I'm cheap. That might be a little bit cheap because these workout clothes for one outfit is like literally like $100 or like $90 or like $50, and it's just like, what the. But with that, I did promise myself at least one Gymshark outfit, so that was my only expensive outfit, and everything else came from Amazon. But Gymshark came today, and I actually ordered on Saturday, and today's Thursday, so that's really good. Wow, look at all my Amazon packages. I am not proud of this, guys. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I got it in a small. Ooh, this material feels good, Makita. I like the way this is.
Cute.
Okay, Operation 10 pounds. Can we do it?
It's cute, and that's an interesting color you picked. I never thought you picked green.
Me either.
That's all they had or something?
No, I like the way it looks.
Oh.
I have the Gymshark vagina that everyone literally has. Like, everyone has like the, I call it the slice of the pie. I mean, to me it doesn't bother me, to be honest, but I think it's perfect. Hence, I just bought a Gymshark outfit that cost $90. And then I bought a bunch of other cute stuff from this other company called Red Dress. Found it out from a few bloggers, and then Amazon athletic wear. It's coming in one by one. So I have this gate at my door, but Zoe has had too many accidents in this room, so she's only allowed, and I tell her she's allowed in this room. So look at her. In the morning, she's like crying to try to jump over. I'm gonna be using this Orange Theory band to just track the amount of calories that I'm gonna be burning while I'm doing this, because I'm very curious to know. I don't usually drink black coffee. Not that I have anything's wrong with it, like I don't mind it, but the only reason why I'm drinking it is because for the meal plan, she does say that if you are gonna drink coffee, just drink it black. So we're gonna go ahead and just follow what she's saying. There's all these options that you can choose from, but HIIT workout, I'm gonna go ahead and just click HIIT, and 3, 2, 1. And calories, splat points. If you go to Orange Theory, then you know what splat points are.
Right, if you want to. And we're gonna kick off that. Next one. And that's the end.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
Look, I found these straws from Amazon. They're obviously drinking reusable straws. You get 12 straws inside. And then it also comes with a straw cleaner. Look who just came.
What up? It's me. It's me.
So, I was thinking, I was online doing heavy shopping, right?
Okay.
Still can't figure out what the hell I want.
You want it?
Right? I should do a video that Deja chooses my clothing. Sorry, Zoe.
That's why you can't get in. That's why you can't get in.
Oh guys, look, I ordered this mattress topper from Amazon. It's supposed to be really great, so let's see how it looks. This one cost $70. I have a king size bed. It feels really good. It's really comfortable though. I could tell a difference. My mattress is cool. I got it from Nectar like 2 years ago. They sent it to me. But I think my body got so used to it that I just need to change, and I don't want to buy a new mattress. So, and it's only been 2 years. So the best way to get around it was by buying this. So these are the outfits that she came up with. You guys will see it when the clothes arrive. So these should be made overnight, but I thought I had one more like set in the fridge. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 days, but again, I thought I had more and I don't. And this is actually all one meal. The reason why it's in 2 different mason jars is because I ordered from Instacart again about like 3 months ago. I ordered mason jars on the computer. They looked really big, but when I got them, they were this little, which is kind of like the size of my palm. I am gonna actually just do my makeup right now. I'm gonna actually just speed up this process because, you know, this vlog is just showing me what I'm doing. Yeah, so it's gonna go really fast. So the products that I used for this slick ponytail were very simple. I'm gonna need companies to stop using the term snot for edge control or for gel because it sounds so disgusting. So I actually used this one in my hair, and I mixed it a little bit with the Olive Oil Ampro Pro Style. I can't really record much on this lens with this lens because I don't have my external mic, and you kind of can hear it when it is focusing, and I don't want to annoy you guys. So we're gonna go back and switch to the 35mm lens. This lens sometimes is super heavy, and I'm just like, bruh, like there's no way I can hold my hand out like this and talk to you guys while I'm vlogging, especially when I'm on the street. I'm so stupid. I'm trying to like get off of like chill out a little bit on like on the alcohol and like the wine, which I actually have been, besides the last wine that I received in the mail. Started on Tuesday to not drink any wine, any liquor, any spirits, any beers, any nothing. So if you guys want to do the 42-day no liquor, alcohol, wine, anything detox with me, let me know and we could do this together. I'm about to take some pictures for my Instagram.